dignitaries on the virtual platform, Professor K.K. Agarwal ji, Honorable Chairman NBA MHRD New Delhi, Professor T.D. Kemparaju, Honorable Vice Chancellor Bangalore North University, Keynote Speaker Dr. Shankar Venugopal, Vice President Mahindra and Mahindra, Director of this conference Dr. M.G. Srikumar, Chief Librarian and Adjunct Professor IIM Kozhikode, President of today's function Professor B. Rajashekar, Pro Vice Chancellor, University of Hyderabad, the main brain behind this and the President of LIS Academy, Professor P.V. Konnur, who is the organizing chair of this conference, Dr. Varadarajan, University of Librarian of University of Hyderabad, organizing secretary, other dignitaries, keynote speakers, panelists, Dr. Shivaram, the member of LIS Academy, other members of LIS Academy, participants from India and abroad, invitees, galaxy of panels, members of various events, invitees, ladies and gentlemen. I am very happy to note that LIS Academy, in collaboration with the University of Hyderabad, is organizing the third LIS Academy conference on reinventing excellence in libraryship, LISACon 2020. Vishveshwarya Technological University, which I represent, was the host of second LIS Academy conference, which was organized at VTU Belagavi campus on 27 June 2019. I am overwhelmed to be part of this conference, and I wish LIS Academy to continue its efforts to strengthen libraries and library science, not only in Karnataka, across the globe. Reinventing excellence in leadership is a very relevant topic today, where libraries are undergoing metamorphic change and librarians need to equip themselves to the change to stay relevant and meaningful. Friends, I personally feel libraries are vital to any education ecosystem, and we are all witnessing transformational changes in libraries, maybe due to technology interventions, changing paradigms in the education system, and the diverse needs of information seekers. All types of libraries facing a constant demand to change their services, delivery mechanisms, technology platforms, and even mannerisms of librarians. I feel libraries and librarians need to work out a strategy to understand the factors which are driving the change, and these changes will motivate many readers to come to your house. That is the learning center. Today, higher education institutes are focusing on designing a curriculum that aims to promote quality education system and to produce knowledgeable, market-ready, skilled workforce. I feel librarians have a major role in sharing his or her vast knowledge of information sources to the curriculum designers. What I mean is, being a librarian, you will have a lot of data in your center. The student visiting, the type of books they refer, the number of hours they sit, the type of reading they carry out every day, their aspirations, their goals, their motivation to learn technologies, etc. All these can be monitored, and this database and data analytics of this should go as a data or a information to the boards of studies so that they provide a meaningful curriculum design. Libraries should pursue creating awareness about their resources, services, especially about the volumes of digital content they are subscribing, especially about the volumes of digital content they are subscribing. Librarians should see to that the return on investment, ROI, and intangible value of investment, VOI, is justified. For example, my university, Vishwesvaraya Technological University, Belagavi, subscribes and spends around 20 crores of rupees annually on various scholarly resources, and I always encourage my fellow librarians to travel the extra mile to deliver the content. I always encourage my fellow librarians to travel the extra mile to deliver this content to end users. Being a lover for libraries, I always insist libraries need to be given due importance. These are the places where young mind should involve in exploring and synthesizing the new knowledge. I do understand libraries, apart from their conventional services, are evolving an experience centers with facilities like makerspace, 3D printing, circuit designing, and discussion hubs, and so on. The libraries should master the skills set and attract more and more users to their library places. Libraries are becoming more interesting and learning places. The knowledge acquiring mechanism has changed. The present generation would sit and love to have the digital interventions in learning and also acquiring knowledge. A lot of information is now available, and converting that information to a knowledge bank is the job of yours. Another important role for the present day librarians is to strengthen the research capabilities of institutes by providing access to various information discovery platforms and research tools. Libraries and librarians can play a vital role in intellectual property management, assisting in identifying research areas through novelty or prior art search, research roadmaps, patenting, copyright registrations, etc. The competitive environment has made education institutions to go for accreditations and ranking frameworks for branding and also to set standards, which demand a variety of data related to institutions, including publication metrics. I feel the libraries need to reposition themselves to handle any kind of data pertaining to their institutions, and maybe it should play a role of office of data to provide single point access to all types of data. The benchmarking of publication metrics will be a great value addition from libraries to the institution and help healthy competition among the institutions. So the data office concept works excellently, and exceedingly it will be very, very useful for the institutions to grow. Friends, as I was going through the program schedule, I find diverse topics of library operations in 6 themes, and each theme containing 6 lectures. I am sure all the sessions will be very wonderful and informative. All the participants will be benefited by this conference. I must congratulate Professor Kannur and his team for this innovative efforts of organizing conference in this unprecedented pandemic time. LIS Academy is known for its quality. It's known to deliver some of the issues which are very close to the users. I must once again thank and congratulate the LIS Academy for its innovative ideas, and especially taking the information to the end users. I feel library is going to be a very important component, that too with digital interventions in extraction of information and also publication. The information with applications like mobile apps, etc., will go a long way in making our students learn continuously and constantly. And a small change in the attitude of ours will go a long way to bring the library and the education system to have a very knowledgeable society. I feel one of the very important component in any educational institution or research organization is the library. The library center can work in very meaningful way to establish a very learning environment and also create curiosity in the end users or in terms of students or research scholars, etc. So therefore, a very conducive, very well organized and well equipped library will go a long way in the careers of many students. Once again, I wish a great success for this conference, and I am sure this will go long way and also enlighten and ignite the new ideas among the librarians, and definitely this conference will make all of you to share your best practices, case studies, understanding understanding each other, and also coming together, bringing up an excellent team to work to achieve excellence in area of learning and research. With this, I hope this will be a conference to remember, and this will be a conference to have many takeaways. With this, I thank you all for hearing me, and once again, thank LIS Academy for giving me this opportunity to share some of my thoughts on the topic. Thank you very much.